Red chili powder. No, paste. This is about 3 tablespoons.
Yeah.
For a kilo. Normal chili powder. So even if you add a makhania, it will be a 3-4 tablespoons for the time being.
Yeah.
The easier thing to be, you were saying something?
प्रेशर कुकर में डाल दिया, सब कुछ बॉईल कर दिया.
हाँ. अच्छा. Because
But that's not going to give you an authentic taste.
but for anybody to do this at home, how do you ease this process out? Can't.
I will add all the chili paste.
You will be adding all the chili paste, which is about 15 chilies.
थोड़ा स्पाइसी रहेगा. I hope that's okay.
Sometimes these red chilies are really spicy.
So
They are not very consistent on the flavor.
I have tried to get the seeds out as far as possible, and then I grind.
Yeah.
हाँ, दाल अफगानी डाल दे, बाकी सब कुछ भी कर ले. वेजिटेरियन 10 लोग. अरे रजी से पूछ के, कल एक ब्रेकफास्ट है 30 लोगों का, जरा पूछ ले, कंफर्म देगा.
But even in spite of removing the seeds, sometimes they turn out to be really spicy.
They can be. So
then in that case, how do you reduce the spice level in that particular batch of
yogurt? Just give it a whisk.
ठीक है, दही वही जाएगा तो ये कितना दही है? 1 लीटर.
हाँ. अरे फेंक मत. इधर से मेरे को.
This is 1 liter, no?
Yeah.
So you leave it for 1.5-2 hours, chalega. The longer the better.
Longer the better. As long as the meat tenderizes nicely and so. Have a taste.
Salt you have added only a few pinches at the time of the onion cooking. Do we need salt again in this? We will need at a later.
नहीं अभी डालेंगे.
Abhi.
आगे चलो.
ये तड़का के लिए है.
हाँ,
तड़का भी अभी.
अभी डालेंगे.
अच्छा. This is ghee ka tadka. You don't need to put garlic and all that.
मैं बोल दूँगा बस
Mustard seeds,
मैं एक्सेप्ट कर लूँ
only garlic. No ginger also. After this, you don't need to add any more water and all that.
I will add water if required.
अच्छा, at a later time.
हाँ
हाँ.
आई कीप अ वॉच कि कितना पानी का जरूरत पड़ रहा है, कितना कम हो रहा है, उसके हिसाब से मैं डालता हूँ. मेरे को चारकोल दे बेटा.
Good.
और दो पीस डाल.
You don't need to add lime to this later.
नो नो
No, no. It's salty enough and it's nice. Good flavor. Not very spicy
नॉट एज
also.
स्पाइसी एज यू एक्सपेक्टेड.
एकदम बराबर. Once you cook, best to eat it now or tomorrow.
ये वाला रेसिपी जब हम कर रहे हैं आप दोनों कर सकते हो.
Today also, tomorrow
टुमारो
also. It will taste as good. But once you put this...
माइक्रोवेव डोंट हीट इट इन द माइक्रोवेव.
No, that we never do. So, but once you put it in the fridge and then remove it and heat it again, after bringing it to room temperature maybe,
हाँ आजा बेटा.
then does the tenderness of the meat reduce?
बीच में डाल. सी बीच में डाल. Only thing is don't do a quick reheat.
Acha,
It has to reheat slowly.
slowly.
हाँ वो ढक्कन ले गया.
Non-stick pan
ढक्कन दे.
on slow gas. Non-stick pan on a slow gas.
On slow gas. बंद कर. उल्टा कर. अरे उल्टा कर. उल्टा बंद कर. उल्टा कर. हाँ.
You put some weight on it.